as we all know, and I can open at 50, please. Thank you so much. Mumbai comes in right at 50 lakh. At 50 lakh, straight ahead of me, I have Mumbai at 50. At 50, I have Mumbai straight ahead. Anybody else on my left or right? At 50, straight ahead. At 50, I have straight ahead with Mumbai. Anybody else coming in? At 50. 55 I have. Thank you, Royal Challengers. At 55, 60 comes back to Mumbai. 65 back with the Challengers. 70 is here. 75 back with Bangalore. 80 comes back to Mumbai. 85 we go to Bangalore. 90 I have up front. 95 with Bangalore. 100 lakh up front with Mumbai at 100. 110 against you, ma'am. 120 back with Mumbai. 130 with the gentleman. 140 is up front. 150. 160. Up front at 160, 170 is Bangalore, 180 comes back to Mumbai, 190 is Bangalore. And 200 lakh I have in Mumbai, 220, is that yours at 220? 220 is Bangalore, 240 Mumbai. At 240, up center. 260 with Bangalore now at 260. At 260, 260 lakh. With Bangalore, we'll give it a few seconds. Thank you. 280 back with Mumbai, 300 with Bangalore. At 300 lakh now with Bangalore at the back of the room. At 300, 320 we come back to Mumbai. At 340 goes back to Bangalore. At 340. At 340 with Bangalore, with the Royal Challengers against everybody else. At 340 lakh, all done and selling. Then if we're all completely sure, last chance Mumbai, last chance for anybody else as well. All done and selling then to the Royal Challengers. Bangalore at 340 lakh. Congratulations at 340 lakh to the Royal Challengers, Bangalore.